Hi there and welcome back. Let us look at a linear straight line equation. For this example, we are going to use some experimental data results for an aqueous solution that was determined by an atomic absorption flame spectrometry. We are given the standard in form of ml, milliliters, and that will represent our x-axis. We also given the absorbance. Let the absorbance results represent our y-axis. So this is just experimental data that we're going to use for reference. Let's use this result here to plot a full linear graph using Excel. Now that we have our graph plotted, let us look at three options to get your straight line equation using Excel or your calculator. Now the first option using Excel, we are going to say slope, and we're going to look at the data of our y-axis. We're going to also say comma the data of the x-axis. So this will be simply saying slope brackets D6 to D10 comma C6 to C11, close your brackets. Now if you punch that onto your Excel, it should calculate to 0.00881. Let's do the same thing for the intercept. Now for the intercept, we are going to calculate this as well, same thing, but this time around we're just going to use formula intercept. So this will be from D6 to D10 and C6 to C11. Excel should calculate everything for you, and we got a formula of y equals to mx plus b, which can also be represented as y is equals to 0.00881 x plus 0.2022. Okay, now let's look at the second option. Now the second option will be using the linear regression for the straight line equation. We are going to simply go on our graph that was plotted, click on the plus sign line, trend line, scroll to the bottom and click on those two boxes there for the linear regression line to be represented on your graph. When you just go back to your data, you'll see that now your regression line is represented and it's identical to our previous results, giving us y is equals to 0.00881 as our gradient, x plus 0.2022. The third option, it's the one that you probably learned at school, which is basically saying the change of y-axis versus the change of our x-axis. This one is not entirely accurate simply because it only focuses on 4 experimental data results, but either way it will give you an answer more or less similar to the other two options. Do try it out with the calculator and let me know what you get. Okay, now thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.